Hi everyone, Lauren here. Hope you are all keeping well in these, I suppose, unknown times for us, and we're all a bit detached from each other. But it's great to have something like this available to us all, that we can stream music online and connect with each other online. So I hope you are all keeping well. I want to give a special hello to all of my students in the Acadamh Ceoil in Derry and abair to all of them, and I hope that they can maybe tune in at some stage today during this video, this live stream. And we're going to play a couple of tunes today. I'm going to play a few different things for you. So I'm going to try and pick a few tunes that maybe we've done in class ourselves. In the classes in the Acadamh Ceoil. So it's a great opportunity if any of you can tune in, that any of you that are part of the classes, that attend the classes, and of course anybody else who knows these tunes or wants to learn them, please join in. Get your harp or get your instrument, whatever it is that you play, get it out, and by all means join in. And I'll hope that there's a choir of instruments playing along with me, even though I'll be on my own here. So I'm going to start off with a tune that I did with my first class that I teach in the Acadamh Ceoil, and that is a tune called Na Ceoltóirí Wana. So it's a slipjig, and it's a lovely little sort of airy light tune, and we had great fun learning it. So I'm going to play through it, and I'll maybe talk through some of the left-hand chords that you might use in that tune itself, and we'll play it slowly, then we'll play it a bit faster. And it's great to see people joining in, and there's Maggie herself, as always, tuning in. This is not a thing. So hopefully a few of you can join in, maybe that are in the class. It'd be great for you to join and get your harps out, and we'll give this tune a go. So we're in the key of G, and all you harp players will be well trained in this. So this means that we need our F levers up, okay? So we've got F sharps up for this, and it's a simple little tune, and the right hand goes like this. And we'll just keep it nice and slow, so that if anyone wants to join in, by all means, please do. You're more than welcome. We'll go on to our second part now, so I'll play it nice and slowly, and then we'll play it a couple of times through. Tune a go, just the right hand for now, and so we'll give the whole tune a go. So each part twice, and we'll play the whole tune at least twice anyway. 1, 2, 1. Everyone who's playing along, that's great. And make sure to add plenty of comments to let us know that you're all here. There's Orla loving the harp, that's great. Oh, from Saoirse, that's brilliant, and I hope you're practicing away. You've plenty of time now, no excuses. And there's Nadia, great, thank you for tuning in. And Karen is going to start learning the harp, and that's great news altogether. So we're going to add a left hand now. We're just going to keep it nice and simple so that anyone that wants to learn the tune can pick it up and remember it. And the notes are online as well. So we've got a third on G, so G and B. Comes in with that second note, and then we're going to play a fourth on G. Back to our third. The third and the fourth for that first part, so it's really nice and easy. And then we're going to move on to root chords for our second part. So we've got root G's and root D's. Okay, so that's G, B, D, G, B, D, and then D, F, A. So we've and then I'll leave that with you and you can practice away to your heart's content in that tune. So play it maybe a little bit faster as well. So thanks for everyone for tuning in. There's Moira from Wicklow, that's great. Sarah Chaoimhín, the girl my hook at the Spain Shaw. And Kieran Carlin, he had a great post up the other day, so hope he's all got learning his tune. And you'll be flat to the mat now with all these new tunes and practicing. So it's great all together to have this. So we'll play this tune anyway, and then we'll move on to something else. Together. Okay, so we're going to go on to another tune now. This is a tune that I did with the second class that come into me. Quite a big class. It's great. And a big shout out to everyone in that class. I don't want to name some because I forget someone. There's not many of you. So we're going to do tune Paddy in London. It's a jig, and it's in G. So again, we've got our F sharps up. And this is a tune we did a long time ago, so it might be good to sort of scrub up our technique and our skills and our practice of that tune. So we're just going to go for it. We'll do the right hand first, nice and slowly, and then we'll add a left hand. So first part. Some left hand and now, so we've got an octave G to octave B, D7. Then for the second part, octave A. D7 to G. And then you're back to your G to B to C. Great, good stuff. Okay, so if anyone in the class has joined us or anyone that knows that tune at all, we'll try it a wee bit faster now, and we'll maybe add on a tune after it. So we will play it twice, and we'll go into another well-known tune, the Listen a Gun jig. So we'll play that after. We'll go into that. So please join in if you're at home and watching along. Joined. That's great. There's me of Coin. Well done. I bet you're practicing away along with the tune, so it's great for you to join in. Thanks for doing it. And we've got Keela joining in as well, and we've got people here from Devon. So that's brilliant. So just to give maybe a big shout out to all the pupils of the Acadamh Ceoil for joining in and playing along. It's really great to have you all here and to know that we can sort of join together in music as a community. So we've not got long left. God, the time flies all together when you're doing this. Oh, we've got Fallon in. Oh, she misses the harp. Oh my gosh, I'm sure you do. I miss teaching the classes very much. So we'll all be reunited soon, and I'll be shouting at you to practice more very soon. So keep at the music while you're at it, and thanks for joining in. I'm going to play the tune now. It's just a simple little tune that I composed sort of just a while back, and it's another jig. So if anyone can't tell that I enjoy playing jigs from this video, then you're being told it now. So this is just a tune that I wrote. I don't really have a name for it as such yet. So I'll give it a bit of lash, and then that'll be nearly our time up. Great. Thanks everyone for joining in. Who else have we got here? We've Emer, thanks for joining in, and Sarah again, Grandma Huggett. Maisie from Trillick, age 7 and loves the music. Keep it up, absolutely. No better time to get learning and practicing than right now. Who else have we got here? We've Eden. That's great that you're enjoying it. We've Martin, Darren. Thanks very much for joining in. So really, if we could just finish up by just thanking maybe everyone that's been involved in organising this and making this available. I think it's really, really important that in times as such that we all sort of stick together, and it's a good excuse to get practice in the harp for us all, and indeed for me as well. So to make the most maybe and out of this and have some enjoyment in it as well. So thanks to everyone for joining in. I want to thank Maggie and Peter and Eileen and everyone at the Cultúrlann. I'm not a big tech person, so this is quite a big deal for me to be able to do this. So thanks for all the help with that and for asking me to do this. And it's a really great opportunity. And hopefully now in the coming weeks, all us music teachers can provide some materials to our students and have something to keep us going through all of this. So maybe to finish off, we'll do another tune, and let's see, we'll do a tune from one of the classes again that we've been teaching. So let's think, we could do, or maybe we should just do the jig again, the Paddy in London. But we finish off with that because it's a nice lifty tune. So we'll just play it through just so everyone can practice along. All these tunes, the two tunes we looked at today, the notes have been put on the Cultúrlann's Facebook page or the Acadamh Ceoil's Facebook page. So definitely get the notes off that. There's left hand and everything, finger placing for all you harpies out there. So by all means make use of that and spend some time practicing over the while. So thanks everyone for joining in. It's been a real pleasure, and hopefully we can do it again sometime. And thanks for joining in. Thanks to everyone for organising, and everyone take care, and we'll see you soon.